Welcome to our Kitchentale! Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng cauliflower fried rice. We need 1/2 head cauliflower. Then, ang gagawin po natin ay i-shred po natin ang cauliflower. To give you an info, cauliflower provides some powerful health benefits. It is a great source of nutrients. It contains unique antioxidants that may reduce inflammation and protect against several diseases, such as cancer and heart disease, and a low-carb diet. Then, I use half part of the bell pepper. Then, we will cut it into small pieces. A quarter part of carrot, same po yung cut sa bell pepper. And then, 5 pieces cloves of garlic, mince. And lastly po, 1/4 cup of frozen green peas. Now, let's start to cook. I use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, let's saute the garlic. Of course, pag lumabas na po yung aroma ng garlic, pwede na nating isunod yung veggies. Approximately 2 minutes lang po ang pag-saute ng veggies. Then, isunod na rin po yung green peas. Okay, after 2 minutes, pwede na po nating ilagay yung shredded cauliflower. It took 3 minutes more to cook the cauliflower po. So, it's up to you if you want crunchy or not. Okay, after 3 minutes po, pwede na nating ilagay yung eggs and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then, scrambled po natin yung eggs. And after that, pwede na pong i-mix ito sa cauliflower fried rice. I-mix lang po na maigi hanggang mag-incorporate po ang mixture. Ngayon po, pwede na ang ating cauliflower fried rice. Ito na po ang ating finished product, ang cauliflower fried rice. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.